Here's how to make memory effect like this. First, get your clips and pre-compose them. Then, rotobrush your clips by selecting rotobrush, double-clicking the layer, and selecting the character in your clip. For the settings, I use feather 2, contrast 20%, shift edge minus 3%, and freeze your rotobrush. Here's how it is. Then pre-compose it again and repeat this process on all the clips you have. After that, get your images, cut them after 2 frames. So 1, 2. Got this. Zoom in the images if needed, like this. You don't need ton of clips. Make sure to get 5 or 8 clips. After that, add S_bloomer curves. Start keyframe in the beginning and set the value of Z to 0.5. Go at the end of the clip and set it to 1. Press U to show the keyframes. Select the keyframes. Press F9 and go to graph editor. Now just copy this graph and copy paste these keyframes on all your images. It should look like this. But since it's too short, select these images and pre-compose them. And put them under your clips, like so. Now just duplicate them, so you cover the whole clip, like this. Select this all and pre-compose them. And to make them even smoother, add CC wide time. You can mess with the settings, but I don't usually do that. After that, just copy and paste these onto other clips. So here's how you make memory effect like this. Now to make them even better, you can add zooms on your main clip, add S_bloomer curves, set the keyframe for Z in the beginning, go at the end, and set the value to 0.320. Press U to show the keyframes, select keyframes, press F9, go to graph editor, and just copy my graph like this. Now since our clips are way too long, zooms are kind of chopped, but you can make your own zooms and just copy and paste them. It should look like something like this. So here's how you make memory effect in After Effects.